What's up, everybody? I'm Macho, aka Dirty Red, Big Dirty Red Gaming. So you know where we at, man. We in the sneaker room, man. We got another unboxing for y'all people out there, man. I hope everybody having a good day. Everybody had a good weekend, but man, today I got the Jordan 12 Retro Low, what they call them, playoff things, man. I grabbed these things at resale from a dude. I think he was hurting. He gave me some for a pretty cheap price. Right now they running like 400 on StockX, or maybe gold. I'm not sure if you want to, but I'm really excited about this shoe. I'm not a big Jordan fan, but I really like this shoe right here. I think this shoe was released in February of 2017. They called it the playoff shoe mainly because the time when the shoe was released around February, so that's usually when teams start gearing up for the playoffs. From what I seen online, this was actually a golfing shoe, and then they turned it into a release for Jordan. The actual Retro 12s, they came out in 1995-96 season for Jordan. Those are the high tops. So just look back history on that, how long that shoe been out. But man, this shoe right here, I'm really excited about it today, man. I'm finna show it to y'all. Let me grab it right here. So boom, this is size 9. Air Jordan Retro 12 low, my bad. You got the white, gray cement on that box of the bill. Like I said, I grabbed this from off a reseller, man. He was trying to get rid of them. I was like, man, I'm not a Jordan guy, but you know, I took it off your hand or whatever. You know, when I got them, I was real satisfied with them. Like I said, the box a little beat up, man. Let's put the things out. That's it right there. You got the Jordan 12 Retro Low. Real dope sneaker. Start with it, man. You got the black at the top. Look like you got the little waves. That's what it look like to me, just some little waves. You got your hints of red. You know, you got your red Jumpman. Got your red Jumpman in the back. Your 23 red. I really like that this right here is really thick. I can imagine that if these were fake, that would probably be really thin and flimsy, but this is really thick right here, and it lets me know that when I got them, that was kind of the first thing I kind of checked. This shoe is a very comfortable shoe. Jordans for me tend to run a little bit big for some reason. All of my shoes, I can could have got this in the 8.5, but he had it in the 9. So when I tried it on, it's very loose. That's probably the one thing I dislike about the retro shoes, the older shoes, is that the sizing of them don't fit right. You know, I'm not a big fan of Air Force Ones because, like I said, those are old sneakers, and the sizing just don't be right on them. The material don't be right on them. You know, a big gripe about Jordans is, like anyone else's gripe, is that crease right there. This shoe is still really new. If you look at the bottom, it ain't no wear at the bottom of it. I don't really wear them that much, but that crease right there. I really hate that. I really hate that with Air Forces. I really hate that with any retro shoe. You see it ain't no wear on the bottom of it. Just a little dirt from when I went out in them a couple times. But I really like this shoe. I really like that engraving right there. 2-3. Right there it says 2-3. I really like that. Like I said, you got your hints of red, black, you know. You got your black and red on the back. Jumpman. I mean, it's a really straightforward shoe. This is a Jordan shoe, it's a Jordan sneaker. I will say the wear on this is a very comfortable sneaker. A very comfortable sneaker, man. When I wear it, you can really feel the cushion right here in your ear. You can really feel cushion up. It really feels good. But I really like this sneaker. This is a really dope sneaker. Like I said, this is the low version. You know, but it's really cool. I really like it. It's not too much about it. This is a very basic shoe, just a plain black and white shoe. Got a little gray in it, so you can kind of get away with anything you want to wear with this sneaker. It's a good summertime shoe. You would want to wear these with some shorts, or maybe, you know, some jogging pants or something like that. Nothing too crazy. It just kind of goes with everything in my closet. I really like to just pull these out. I got like some Jordan shorts I throw on with these. I got the Jordan tank top I wear, and I really just go out and wear these and just be real comfortable with these. anyone been watching my sneaker videos, you know I kind of like to do a cop or not with it. You know, like I said, I seen this shoe. It was like 400 on, I don't know if it was StockX or Gold, either or the shoe for a size 9 is 400 if you try to get these right now. So would I cop these or would I not these? I'm not a Jordan guy. So like I said, I caught these at a pretty cheap price. So for me, these was a cop just because I found them at the right price. Pretty cheap. Might have about maybe $100 or something like that. Dude was trying to get rid of them. He explained to me what he had going on, and I was just like, man, just give them to me. He had more Jordans, but I really wanted these. By the time I went back to go get some more from him, he hadn't sold out. So these, I'm glad I got these though. So would I cop these at $400? Probably not. I wouldn't pay $400 for these right here. Not no resale at no $400. But you know, like I also say, 0 to 10, what would I rate this shoe, man? I would probably give this sneaker probably a 9, man, 9.5. This is a very comfortable shoe. I really wish I could have grabbed this in an 8.5 because I got a small foot, so this 9 is kind of big. But man, this is a very comfortable shoe. I got it at a really good price, and on top of that, man, these are retro Jordan. These are retro Jordan. So if I wanted to resell these, I can get at least 300 for them, or 200. I know, you know, I can get at least 200 for them if I wanted to resell them. But my biggest gripe with Jordans and any retro shoe is that crease. Crease right there. I've looked at some videos to get creases out, but that crease. I try to keep paper and stuff in my shoe so that it just, you know, longevity. But my biggest issue with the retro shoes is that crease right there, man. If you get some Air Forces, you're gonna have a crease in them after you wear them probably once or twice. These, I haven't worn them much. I don't know how, but it don't. And obviously when the guy, like I said, there's no wear on the bottom of the shoe. This is pretty much a brand new shoe. So I can really get good retail for this shoe right here. But yeah, so that's what I got today, man. The Jordan Retro 12 Playoff Edition. Playoff Edition. Y'all like and subscribe to the page. I really appreciate everyone that's been subbing up my page. Anyone that have asked to sub to me, man, they have done it. I really appreciate y'all. So that's it for what I got today. Thank you.